To put us on YouTube, please? Thank you.
Good morning, 36th District Court, State of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Judge Marlena E. Taylor. While court is in session, there are no eating, sleeping, drinking, gum chewing, laying down. Please make sure all backgrounds are quiet. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Thank you, Officer Wharton. You're welcome. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jamon Eugene Wallace. This is ticket SP 1433925. Count 1, violation of the basic speed law and or drove in an unsafe manner. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Ralph Kazmarek, P29637, attorney for Mr. Wallace.
All right, Mr. Wallace, can you unmute yourself and state your name for the record, please?
Yeah, Jamon Eugene Waller.
All right, thank you. Counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Yeah, there's an offer at this point. My client is going to plead responsible to the added count of blockading traffic. The other 3 counts would be dismissed, Your Honor. He has resolved all the other matters.
Okay. And at this time, do you stipulate to the 4 corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter 1 count, a plea of responsible to the amended charge of blockading. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Sir, the fine for that is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to have it due no later than August 8th, 2023 then, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Thank you.
Goodbye.
All right, Mr. Jarbo.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Mahal Yusuf. This is U ticket 45034518. This is 1 count beverage liquor establishment failure to obtain license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Christopher Jarbo, P59507, appearing on behalf of Mr. Yusuf, consenting to the matter being resolved via remote proceedings, and he's present at my office today, Your Honor.
All right, and sir, can you state your name for the record, please, for me?
My first name Menhal, last name is Yusuf.
All right, counsel. All right, thank you. How are we proceeding today, counsel?
Your Honor, I spoke with Alexa, the city attorney, and I'm sorry I'm forgetting her last name, but
It's okay, Snyder.
Snyder. I spoke with Ms. Snyder today, and we're setting this for a bench trial. We attempted to go to the city office to figure out what the heck is going on with this because it's a 2018 ticket, and they've not been able to provide any information. So we're asking that this be set for a bench trial date.
All right, sir, Mr. Yusuf, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of August 22nd. August 22nd at 9 a.m. It will be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day. Is that okay with you, attorney?
It is. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, bond set at $0 personal. I'll see you there. Unless you put it looks like you may have put something in place. I'll leave the $100 cash there until we resolve this matter, okay?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Attorney Magnuson, are you ready? I see you moving. You good?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
I'm bringing them in. You
Thank
good? All right. I know sometimes you're in other courtrooms. That's why I asked when I saw your lips move. Mr. Wormack. Can you hear me, sir? He unmuted himself. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kamari Warmack. This is ticket number SP 1387730. One count of public urination. This was on a 3-month delayed sentence. He was to have done 20 hours of community service. We had some issues with getting the documentation last time, so we're back here today. Attorney Magnuson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Mark Magidson on behalf of Mr. Warmack. Mr. Warmack, could you identify yourself to the court?
I can't hear him for some reason, but I see that his name did pop up on the screen. Have you had an opportunity to talk with your client today, counsel?
Yes, I did, Your Honor. He did provide me with with a photo of a letter that he obtained from a nonprofit that he's working with. And I did call the gentleman who signed the document and verified that Mr. Wormack did do at least 20 hours. He said maybe more of assisting them in their cleanup projects throughout the city.
All right. So at this time, the court is satisfied that he has complied with my 20 hours of community service. Thank you for that follow-up, Attorney Magnuson. I know that you are very diligent in what you do. So I appreciate that. And you did a quick turnaround for me. So I really appreciate that. At this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice or with prejudice at this point in time for his compliance. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day.
Enjoy the concert, Judge. Take care.
Thank you. I will. I'm not going, but I'm gonna enjoy all the hoopla. All right, Attorney Mansour, let me get your client out here. Hold on, did you need to talk? You need to talk to the attorney still, don't you? Okay,
Yes,
we're trying
Your
to get her back, okay?
Yeah.
As soon as we get her back, I'll call your case, okay?
Take your time. I appreciate it.
Thank you, okay, all right. Alright.
Oh, she said she did 434 to be there.
Okay, all right.
You know what?
Got it. Hello?
Attorney Snyder? Oh, I see somebody talking to you. You good? Attorney Mansour wants to talk to you. Am I pronouncing your last name right, sir?
Yes, that's fine, Your Honor. Yes, Mansour.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I just want to make sure. Don't say it's fine if it's not right.
It's
Yeah,
right.
I'm okay with it. I'm okay with correction. I ain't that person, so I don't want to misspeak your name.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Y'all can go to room 2 maybe?
You
That'll
don't even
work.
necessarily need a breakout room, Your Honor.
Okay, you're on live though, just so you know.
That's okay, Your Honor. Ms. Schneider, I spoke with the officer in this case. I simply asked him if he could do a civil infraction. I'm not opposed to my client being punished with a class or any type of classes. He's younger. And what I explained to him is with the insurance rates and his parents being involved in paying for that, I want to make sure he's the one actually being punished in this case and not his dad for paying the high insurance rates. So would you be opposed to like some sort of civil infraction that like a non-abstracting or a 0-pointer where he would take the class and we could put that on the record?
So the issue is in the 36th district, you can't amend civil infractions to misdemeanors or vice versa.
Okay.
I can do today as an officer of the court, we can do a dismissal. I'll take your word for it. We can do a dismissal without prejudice.
Okay.
You know, have him take the class, send me email proof, and then we'll talk about doing like a reissue or something.
What's your email address?
It'll be my last name, so Schneider, SCHNEIDER, and then the letter A, so Schneider at detroitmi.gov.
At detroitmi.gov.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And so basically we'll dismiss today. I'll get you proof of the class. And then what's the next step?
Do a dismissal without prejudice. Just email me proof of the class and I'll talk to the officer and we'll see what we want to do from there.
That'll be
But
great.
we'll
Do you
have
know
time.
which class he has to take?
Driver's improvement, but there's a couple options.
That is very great. Thank you.
Perfect.
So for the record today, how will we be proceeding? Just as
Just a dismissal.
okay. And I did want to address something else with the court, Your Honor, if I may.
Okay, I can put it on the record fully. Mr. Webb, hold on a second though. Mr. Webb,
Yes,
now
ma'am. I'm
take your
sorry.
counsel, okay? We just gave you, you were supposed to be in a different courtroom, but we worked something out. So give your counsel a call or he's sending you a message about how we resolve or how we move forward with your matter, okay?
Yes, ma'am. So go ahead and leave the Zoom.
You can go ahead and leave the Zoom, Mr. Webb. You're all set. I'm gonna actually see you October the 4th, but he's gonna let you know what's going on, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Appreciate you. Thank you.
I appreciate you too. Thank you for the respect. I appreciate that, sir.
Thank you. See you
All right,
later.
have a good day. All right,
You too.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Mansour, it's gonna be about the legal dumping situation, his other.
Yes, it is.
15 minutes? Okay.
Yes, it is.
All
Your
right.
Honor.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people. Let me get him out here. Did you need to talk to him first or no?
I texted him. He's fine.
Okay, I'm gonna bring him out here. And he has an officer too. Did you want me to bring the officer out here yet? Attorney Snyder, or you want me to wait?
Sure, Your
till
Honor.
you talk? Okay,
Think about.
I know sometimes I don't want nobody. Trying to do the best I can. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus George Yada. This is ticket number SP 1378295. This is 1 count reckless driving. Also calling ticket number SP 1424846, 1 count illegal dumping. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel for the city, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexis Schneider for the people, P80322.
And good morning, Your Honor. Sean Mansour on behalf of Mr. Yelda, P78438. And George, please state your first and last name for the record for the judge.
George Yell, that's my last name.
And I have the officer here present today. Today is set for a trial on the reckless driving. Officer Presley, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Officer Presley, badge 3973.
Thank you, officer. All right, counsels, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, at this date and time for the reckless driving, we're moving for a dismissal without prejudice. The defendant is going to take a defensive driving course. He's going to provide me through his counsel proof of same, and we're going to talk to the officer about finding a more amenable resolution.
All right. All right. So at this time on that particular ticket, the court is going to dismiss it without prejudice. Mr. Yada, let me caution you though, they're giving you this awesome opportunity. I live in the city of Detroit. Don't be coming in here racing down the streets and stuff like that. Go race out where you live if you want to do all that. You hear me, Mr. Yada?
Your Honor,
All right, don't say anything. This is just a baby lecture. Okay?
I hear you.
All right? Because you know, it's dangerous when you do those things. They write those tickets because you never know who's walking over there. That's a pedestrian area too, where I see lots of people because it's a main bus depot pickup for the city as it goes in and out. And you don't want to end up with those type of troubles, okay?
Alrighty.
All right. How are we dealing with the other ticket that he has?
Thank you, Your Honor. As to the other ticket, the truth is I am not aware of it. We have not spoken about it. What I'd like an opportunity to do is to speak to him about it and have a pretrial date if you could. He's obviously here today, Your Honor. If you could just waive that show cause hearing and set us for a pretrial date, I'll definitely make sure he appears.
Okay. All right. I'll set this for a pretrial on September 20th. Okay.
Very good. Thank you, Your Honor.
September 20th. I'll see you back for the pretrial on the other matter. Okay.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.
Thank you, Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Honor.
you all. All right.
Delita, right? Ladita, right?
Yes, hi.
You were here earlier. Why did you leave Zoom?
It dropped the thing.
Okay, have you talked with an attorney yet?
Yes.
Did I put you in a waiting room or?
He put me in the waiting room and then he asked me to rejoin you. He was supposed to get it dismissed.
Okay, thank you. You're gonna go in the waiting room now.
Okay.
Person who just joined us, what's your name, please?
Marcus Winless. I was already in the waiting room, room 24. Somehow I got logged out.
Okay, did you answer a phone or make a call?
No.
Okay. All right, I'll put you back in.
Okay, thank
Did you say you were in, Mr. Winless?
29.
All right. Hold on one moment, I'll put you back in there. The person who just joined us, what's your name, please?
My name is Capri Montgomery, but I'm stepping in for Alante Williams. He came into the courtroom on Zoom this morning, and you checked him in, and then they sent him to a guy for the other room for a meeting. And the guy, we don't know what he did, but he's just on this line and saying the host is what? The host will admit you when they ready. So we're trying to find out because the guy said he was sending her back into the courtroom. So we're just trying to find out that he's still on there because the screen is just showing the word Zoom and we don't know what's going on. He's been on it now for like 30 minutes.
Oh, where is Alante Williams? Because is he unable to speak? Are you helping him and assisting him today? Is he like, does he have issues?
Well, if you could see, the guy sent him to this.
No. I know what it says. I'm just trying to figure out at this point, like, is he unable to talk or what happened? Why are we here?
No, he's right here. No, he's right here. We was just.
Okay. All right, let him handle his issues. This is his situation, sir. I have 30 people. Nope, I have 25 people checked in right now. That means it's gonna take some time today. You have to exercise patience. I know we want everything to happen.
No,
but it doesn't always. He spoke to you, so just be patient, okay? I'm gonna come back to you in a moment.
Okay, only thing I was doing was making sure that he didn't cut him off because when he made a statement, he said, well, you didn't show up before, and he was trying to explain to him that he came in late because of the situation last time. So we don't know what he did, so that's what we was just trying to find out.
Should I put him in the breakout room, Judge?
I don't know what to do with him at this point in time. If they want to wait, they can wait right here in the courtroom. I brought in Timothy Williams, so I'm gonna talk to Timothy Williams. Timothy Williams. Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams.
Yes, I'm here on behalf of Timothy Williams.
Okay, all right, Mr. Williams, you have another court case with me on the 1st of September. I want to try and pull all of your cases that you have warrants on, but you have several of them. So I need a moment to be able to pull all your warrants and get them. Can you come back for your September 1st court date so I can have all of your warrants pulled that day?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so I'll see you back September 1st, 2023 at 9, you can do 8:45 a.m. I'm gonna pull all of your tickets and get all your warrants out the system so we can have them all on the same day, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna have your tickets and everything. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 on all of these, okay?
Okay, appreciate it.
All right, no problem. So I'll see you back. What day you come to see me?
September 1st.
September 1st, via Zoom, 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Williams. You're all set. You can log off for today, okay?
Yep.
All right.
You walk.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Is Jude your first name? I still don't have a docket. I didn't print it out because we were almost done.
Julian.
Oh, Julian. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Walk. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room so you can speak with the attorney.
You said Julian Walk?
If you have a docket.
My last name Walker.
Julian Walker. Thank you, Walker. Okay, all right.
All right, that makes a difference.
Mr. Walker, sign in with your name, Drew Walk. I know you got these nicknames. Sign in with your name for court so I can make sure I have you, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right. Mr. Williams, Alante Williams, what's your case number? Because I don't have you on the docket for today. What's your case number?
SP 13695041. OM.
Let me see if I can find you. It's in warrant status. So why have you joined me today?
Oh, I was told on my last court date, well, I was kind of late, but he told me I had a pretrial today at 8:45.
We're kind of late, but he told you you had a pretrial today at 8:45.
Yeah.
What was your last court date scheduled for? Hold on.
It was June 16th.
Let him know the guy took it out of warrant status.
Yeah, the guy had took it out of warrant status.
All right, I have one person who's in person with Attorney Goffman.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
The name,
Aubriana
Will. Ariana what?
Willard.
okay.
I'm gonna have her come into the courtroom so that you can talk to her, and then I'll do her matter first, so I don't forget about her.
Okay, we're ready.
Want me to get her, Judge?
Yes, please.
Ms. Wheeler, are you there?
Yes.
You can have
Come
her.
stand in front of this screen,
Okay.
For this screen. Okay.
Ms. Wheeler?
She's right here, she's coming. Right
Okay.
here.
Can I give you my cell phone number and just ask her to call me?
You need her to call?
Please, it'll be easier.
Okay, what is it? I'll write it down for her.
It's 313-948-2683.
Okay. You need her to call you right now?
Yes.
Okay. You want to go
Thank you.
hallway? Conscious attorney. Your conscious. Okay. I'll try to give you an offer or something about your case.
Ladita, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Why did you leave Zoom again?
I'm on my way. I have to go to work, and when I pulled away from my home, it dropped the call.
Good, because you're not supposed to be on Zoom when you're driving. So, all right. So, had you talked to an attorney yet?
Yes, I spoke with him, and he has me waiting. He said that he was going to get it dismissed. I have my insurance.
Okay, then I'm going to put you in a waiting room. The judge will bring you out when she's ready to hear your case.
Okay.
All right.
Madam Clerk, are you available?
County Bosman?
Would you please confirm a valid driver's license for Ms. Kendra Wheeler?
It's Aubriana.
It's Ariana.
It's Aubriana Wheeler.
Right, but Kendra Wheeler is here for show cause, but she's got a license. I just want to make sure that's valid.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Please, and then there's one other person. I think it's Woods, Ricardo Woods,
But, a valid license?
valid license, yes.
Okay, so I just called you, but it went to voicemail. So the one you just handled, Aubriana Wheeler,
Yes, she's pleading guilty to allowing. Oh, she has more.
she has 3 warrants.
Wow.
And then she has one in default that she owes $654 on.
Okay,
So I wanted you to know that.
thank you. I'm ready for you to call the case. I have her number. I'm just gonna give her a quick call. Just give me,
Yes, so she's back in the hallway,
okay.
because I didn't know if you needed to speak with the prosecutor again for her.
One of them is an alcohol and a motor vehicle passenger.
Yeah, so we're gonna have a trial on that. We're gonna set up for trial. But let me talk to her first. She may be willing to do something or want to do something. Sorry, Your Honor, I'm ready to proceed on all cases.
All right. Kayla Wallace is coming in first. Ms. Wallace?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Michaela Ashanti Wallace. This is ticket SP 1468758. Count 1, pedestrian walk and roadway with sidewalks provided. Count 2, pedestrian disobey officer signal. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, Ms. Wallace, would you state your name?
Malika Wallace.
Thank you, and good morning again, Ms. Wallace. Judge, the defendant is continuing a not guilty plea and asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom. She's been advised.
All right, ma'am, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for the date of October 4th. October 4th at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Thank you. Will I get a notice for this?
You do get notice, I think, in the mail, but write it down too, because you don't want to.
I am. That's what I'm about to do.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
I'll see you then via Zoom, okay? 9 a.m.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, no problem. Tanya Willis? Toya, I'm sorry, Toya, I'm so sorry. Is it Tanya? It's Tanya. Okay, I'm sorry. Unmute yourself. All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Tanya Marie Willis. This is ticket SP 1452479. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, please state your name.
Tanya Willis.
Thank you, and good morning again, Ms. Willis. Your Honor, the defendant is here for the purpose of pretrial, and to her credit, she's brought the documents that she needs. Specifically, her registration, I've seen it, it's in her name. It is the vehicle in question, and the registration does not expire until the 18th of December in 2023. Similarly, the insurance is in her name and will not expire until August 1st of 2023. So that's coming up. She's been advised to make sure that she renews her documents. She's entitled to a compliance dismissal here by way of policy, Your Honor. Would you dismiss these cases without prejudice? And I would stipulate to probable cause for the recommendation. Thank you.
All right, at this time, seeing that she has presented to you valid docs as the officer of the court, you've seen them, I'm going to dismiss without prejudice these tickets. Ma'am, make sure you get everything up to date and valid though, because if you get stopped again, they just gonna give you new tickets, okay?
Yes.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Williams is on 2 devices.
All right, pick a device, Mr. Williams. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Alante Malik Williams. This is ticket SP 136954041. This is one count interfere with government employee performing their duty. This is a case that's in warrant status. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name. Unmute your device.
Alante Malik Williams.
Thank you. Your Honor, please recall the warrant and enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant as he appears today by way of Zoom. This is important to him. He will appear at any next action date, and we're asking that the matter be set for a waiver trial by Zoom, please, and thank you.
If you would like a waiver trial, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you want a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of October 4th. October 4th at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom. I'm going to set the bond at $0 personal. $0 personal. I'll see you back October 4th at 9 a.m. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ladita Wright.
How are you?
I'm good, and you. Can you turn your camera on for me, please?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Ladita Wright. This is ticket SP 147100601. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Ladita Wright.
Judge, the defendant has insurance. She showed me the certificate. It will not expire until December 20th of this year from the Cure Auto Insurance Agency. I believe she's entitled to a dismissal by way of policy, and I would stipulate the probable cause for that. And thank you, and I thank the prosecutor.
Seeing that she is now in compliance and has provided documentation to you via, as an officer of the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss without prejudice this ticket. Ms. Wright, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great rest of your day, okay? I love your smile. Yay.
Thank you.
Welcome. All right. David Wiley. For some reason, you're not connected to audio. There we go. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus David Devontae Demetrius Wiley. This is ticket SP 1424821. One count speeding, 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Also, count 2 is no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name.
David Wiley.
Thank you, and good morning again, Mr. Wiley.
Good morning.
Judge, the defendant is going to waive any rights to any further hearings or trials today. He did the better driver's course in order to achieve a best resolution from the prosecutor. I'm proud to announce that he is going to plead guilty on the moving violation, and that will be reduced to blockading. According to the recommendation, there are other cases that would be dismissed, and for those, I stipulate to probable cause here and now. Thank you.
All right. So at this time, you stipulate to probable cause. Do you also stipulate to the four corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor, for the purpose of the plea here today, I do so stipulate.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading. Thank you for taking that class, Mr. Wiley. Okay.
You're welcome.
The fine is $175 for blockading. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'm going to do no later than August 8th, 2023. Okay.
Yes.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
All right. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye-bye. No. Jillian Walker. Jillian Walker. Shaquita Winters. Shaquita Winters.
Did you call Julian?
I did. I skipped over you though. You weren't ready, so I'll come back to you in a moment, okay? Ms. Winters, can you turn on your camera? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Shaquita Chantel Winters. This is ticket SP 1356672. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, reckless driving. Ticket number SP 1356674. Count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. And ticket SP 132722231. One count failed to signal or on turn or leaving curb. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ms. Winters, please state your full name for the record.
Shaquita Winters.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're continuing not guilty plea. We're asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please, and thanks.
All right. Now, Ms. Winters, I've already scheduled it for a waiver trial once before. You need to make sure that you appear this time, please.
Yes, I will.
Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights? Oh, Lord. Ma'am, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. You must show up to this one, ma'am, okay?
Okay. Will I be receiving something in the mail or do I need to just
You will, but you should write it down too, Ms. Winters, because next time I'm gonna put what's called bonds in place. That means you're gonna have to pay money to get it back on my docket. Okay?
Okay.
So it's
Okay.
October the 4th. October the 4th at 9 a.m. You'll get something in the mail, but write it down so you can put it as a reminder in your phone. Somebody trying to call her. That's why she keeps freezing. She can't help it.
I didn't hear you now. My
I
phone
know.
is breaking up. Oh, okay.
October 4th at 9 a.m. October 4th, 9 a.m. Okay? Via Zoom.
Okay.
All right. I'll see you then. Bond set at $0.
Okay.
All right. All right.
Okay,
Mr. Walker,
thank-
you can
okay, thank you.
unmute yourself now. You're all set, Ms. Winters. No problem.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Jillian Maurice Walker. This is ticket SP 129188801. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1311501. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, marijuana possession, cultivate, deliver more than twice the legal limit. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
That's you, Mr. Walker.
Julian Walker.
Thank you. For the purpose of arraignment, please enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant. He will waive any more formal reading of the information and complaint and or warrant, Judge, and we're asking that the matters be set. I originally wanted a pretrial, Judge, but I think we're going to need a trial date, please, a waiver trial date by Zoom in order to resolve these matters.
Okay. All right, if that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand, Mr. Walker. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna make it October the 4th at 9 a.m. via Zoom. Mr. Walker, I know court isn't the best place to be, but you gotta make sure that you come, okay? I know you wanna handle it because you showed up today. So keep coming back, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. $0 personal. I saw you write down the date. I appreciate it. You should be getting something in the mail, but make sure you put in your phone that date so you don't miss it, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, Mr. Walker.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Mr. Winston, unmute yourself for me. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Marlando Denard Winston. This is
Yes.
SP 14685581. One count carrying a concealed weapon while under the influence. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name, please. Mr. Winston, please state your name.
Marlando Denard Winston.
Thank you. Mr. Winston is asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please. He's been advised.
Thank you. All right, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial or a bench trial. That's the trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set this matter for a waiver trial on the day of October 4th. October 4th, write that down, at 9 a.m. via Zoom. October 4th, 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome, Mario. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
Yep.
Mr. Woods, unmute yourself for me, please, sir. You see? Unmute yourself, you see? Yep, there you go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Ricardo Lamar Woods. This is ticket number SP 133-55161. That one count is drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2 is no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3 is improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Woods, state your name.
Excuse me?
Mr. Woods.
You asked me what was my name? Ricardo Woods.
Judge, this matters are here for pre-trial. Mr. Woods was able to provide me valid and current documents, specifically his registration and his insurance. That insurance or the registration will not expire until June 28th of 2024. And the insurance is current and valid as well, Your Honor. Would you dismiss these cases for compliance and stipulate to probable cause on behalf of the defendant?
All right. At this time, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Woods, okay?
Thank you. You guys have a great day.
You too. Have a good day.
All right.
Can you bring in Miss Aubriana Wheeler? Yes. Thank you. Where you at? fix that one. We should have those behind, okay? Now calling the matters of the people versus Aubrey and Renee Wheeler. This is ticket SP 1452871. No insurance misdemeanor. Count 2 of that same ticket is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 3 is registration and or plate violation. Also calling tickets SP 119400611. This is 1 count open alcohol and a motor vehicle passenger, and count 2 driver's license never acquired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, please loud and clear, announce your name.
Brianna Renee Wheeler.
Thank you. Good morning again. Judge, we've had a chance to talk about this. For the purpose of arraignment, please enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant. She's going to waive any more formal reading of the information, complaints, or warrants. And we're asking, because of the nature of the cases, that the matters be set for a bench trial by way of Zoom.
All right. Seeing that, ma'am, can you raise your right hand for me? Other right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth? No, that was right there.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm so used to people facing me. Good. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
You gotta speak up now. My reporter is up there and you up here. She can't hear that?
Yes.
Okay. And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial or a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So at this time, I forgot to enter a not guilty pleas on her behalf on the warrants. I'm going to set those warrants aside and put not guilty pleas in. I'll set this for a bench trial on both of these matters on October the 4th at 9 a.m. That's via Zoom, okay, ma'am?
Yeah.
You do not have to come back in and see me in person unless this is better for you. If not, you can do it on Zoom. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
All right. Also, she has a ticket out there that's in default right now. It has some additional late fees to it. I'm going to remove the late fees at this time, but you are responsible for paying that ticket, okay, Ms.
Yes.
Willis?
Thank you.
Yes.
All right. If there's nothing further, I'll see you back, ma'am, on October the 4th. I'll enter bonds of $0 on all of these matters, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, ma'am. Thank you for coming down today.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You have information for Zoom?
Information. Oh.
I'm gonna call in Monica Williams. Sorry about that. We were talking to the young lady in the courtroom, making sure she had the information. Monica Williams. Gave her a sheet of paper, made sure she had everything for Zoom for next time. Miss Williams, Monica Williams.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Now calling the matter of People versus Monica Williams, Therese Williams. This is ticket number SP 1432231. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket number SP 1432617. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your full name, please?
Monica Tatrice Williams.
Thank you, and good morning again, Ms. Williams. The defendant is going to resolve these matters here today. She wants to plead guilty, and there's a recommendation that if she does so, to the charges of failing to display a valid driver's license and expired plate, that the balance of the cases for which she appears here today would be dismissed. She's been advised and she's ready.
Okay. All right. Ma'am, if that's the case, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, I want to take you back to the date of February 14th of 2023. Were you in the area of West Warren and Westwood in the city of Detroit driving a Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
And while did you fail to display a valid operator's license to that officer who stopped you?
I didn't have it on me.
Okay, right. So you didn't show it to him, right?
Yes.
And also, were your plates expired at that time, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, the court is satisfied as well. And stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter in one plea count of fail to display and one count of expired plates. The expired plate ticket is $145. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna have that due no later than August 8th of 2023. As far as the other fine goes.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you have your driver's license? Is your license valid or no?
No, it's suspended.
All right, $200 fine. How long do you need to pay that one? 30 or 60 or 90 days?
I take 90 days.
Okay, all right, October 25th, 2023, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. You have a good day too.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I don't pay that. 40 on the 8 I can pay that. And 200 for that. Turn it on. You want me to go to jail?
Okay, thank you. Are you mom? Okay, well, hold on. Just want to be clear to you. She already has it.
All right. Lamarco West,
So he can call back if he has any concern.
now calling the matter of the people versus Lamarco Sabian West. This is ticket SP 1452470, one count no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket SP 1452468, count 1, 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. You on mute, Attorney Bossman.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Mr. West, state your name.
Lamarco West.
So Judge, there's a recommendation in the file that if the defendant pled guilty to the speeding charge, that would be reduced to a no point offense. That's limited access 1 to 5 over. He's been advised he's going to plead guilty to, or responsible to that violation here and now.
All right. And do you stipulate to the 4 corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor, for the purpose of the plea here, so stipulated, and I also stipulate to probable cause for the matters that are being dismissed here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of limited access speed 1 to 5 over speed limit. The remaining counts called on this record will be dismissed. Mr. West, the fine for that. Mr. West, take your hand off your face. I know you've been waiting a long time. Go ahead, sit up for me like real court. I get it. I know it's hard. I understand. The fine for that is $125. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
That should be enough time, ma'am.
You sure you need extra time? Let me know right now because they add late fees when you're late.
Yeah, please. I'm actually in the process of trying to join the fire department, so I'm trying to get a job right now. So yes, that would be okay.
I'll give you until August 25th, 2023, but find that money, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Appreciate it.
All right. You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, Mr. West, okay?
All right, y'all have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you.
All right.
All right. Tawanda Williams. Tawanda Williams.
Sorry, I was muted. Good morning. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now. Thank you. All right. Looks like the reception may be a little cable. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tawanda Elise Williams. This is ticket SP 1455142. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1455132. Count 1, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am? Miss Williams? You're on mute.
It's Williams.
One more time.
Uh-oh. She clicked off. She must have been in a bad cell. I'll give her a second.
Hello.
Hello. All right, say your name again, Ms. Williams.
Tawanda Elise Williams.
Thank you. Counsel, how are we proceeding?
Judge, the defendant's going to waive any right to any further hearing. She wants to resolve this today. There's a very generous offer that if she pled to blockading on the moving violation, the other counts would be dismissed here. That's what she would like to do. On her behalf, I would stipulate the probable cause to the information contained in the four corners of the complaint for the purpose of the plea, and also to probable cause for the purpose of the recommended dismissals here. Thank you.
All right, if that's the case, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Oh, no, I don't need to raise your right hand. You can put it down, Ms. Williams. All right, your counsel has stipulated to the four corners of the ticket to establish the factual basis. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading. The remaining three tickets called on the record today are going to be dismissed without prejudice per counsel's agreement to dismissal. Ma'am, the fine for blockading is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, that's going to be, no problem. August 8th, 2023 is when it's due, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, Ms. Williams. Thank you for your patience today.
Thank you, everyone. Have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you. Darius Womack Moore.
Here.
All right, can you turn on your camera for me, please? All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Darius Womack Moore. This is ticket SP 1454066. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1454028, expired plates. And warrant status is ticket number 514225. Count one, no insurance. Count two, unregistered motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Darius Womack Moore.
Thank you. There's a recommendation here that if the defendant would plead to the expired plate count, the other counts would be dismissed. He's ready to resolve this here today and plead guilty according to that information.
Is that right, sir? You want to plead to that information?
Yes.
All right. Counsel, do you stipulate to the four corners of the document in order to establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated, and I stipulate the probable cause for the matters to be dismissed. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to answer one count of expired plates. The remaining counts today called on the record will be dismissed. Sir, the fine for that is $145. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to have it due no later than August 8th. August 8th, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You are all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Okay, Attorney Baldwin, you need a moment or we're good?
I'm okay. I just 30 seconds to move.
Okay, just let me know. Mr. Wolfo?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of people versus Raymond Wolfo. This is V ticket 128199. One count of any person in custody of an animal should prevent them from engaging in nuisance, menacing, or potentially dangerous behavior. V ticket 128198, failed to provide a leash. V ticket 128197, failed to vaccinate. And ticket V 128196, harboring an unlicensed dog. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Raymond Woolfolk II.
Judge, in these type of cases, we're gonna need an officer for any kind of resolution here. The defendant has been advised he's aware of his right to a jury trial. He's gonna waive that here today. We're asking for a bench trial date by Zoom, please.
All right. If that's the case, sir, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts, so the officer can come at that time. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for the date of October 4th. October 4th at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day, 9 a.m., October 4th. Your bond will be at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, thank you for your patience today, sir, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set. All right. Kendra Wheeler. She has a valid license. Miss Wheeler?
Yes, I'm here. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kendra Wheeler. This is ticket number SP 1301609. This is one count drove while license suspended. Repeat offender. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Baughman, on behalf of the defendant. Ms. Wheeler, please state your name.
Kendra Wheeler.
Thank you, Judge. We're really proud that Ms. Wheeler has achieved driver's license status. We're asking you respectfully to dismiss these cases for compliance and stipulate the probable cause for that recommendation, and thank you.
All right. At this time, I do have a copy, and it says that her license is now valid. The court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. Wheeler, make sure you pay all your tickets so that this doesn't happen. It seems like it got suspended because you didn't pay a ticket. Don't do that. Pay your tickets, okay?
Yes, ma'am. This was my very first time like ever having a license. So I believe that was a part of it too. I'd never had a license before.
Oh, I'm so proud of you for having a license. I'm so proud that you keep it valid and stuff like that. But
Yeah.
you know, the other areas, you know, Detroit tries to have some leniency, but other counties they will give you a ticket and it'll suspend it, and you don't want to suspend it over something like that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Wheeler, I'm happy for you. I can tell that you're proud of yourself, and so is this court for having your license. So you're all set, case dismissed, okay?
Thank you. You guys have a wonderful day.
You too, Ms. Wheeler.
Well, no, he had to show up tomorrow. Take care of today.
Okay. He's asking for a pretrial anyway. Mr. Wheeler, Mr. Williams, you have cases of tomorrow. Are you gonna need more time from tomorrow's date as well, so I can know?
Yes, ma'am. I was just about to bring that to your attention.
Okay, I'm gonna call this ticket, but we'll move whatever remaining tickets you have until the pretrial date I give you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tyree Williams. This is ticket SP 1393340. This is one count of drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Harry Baughman, on behalf of the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Tyree Williams.
Thank you. Are we here for show cause, Judge?
All right. At this time, we are here today for Mr. Williams is just here. I think it's just a regular hearing. Let me find him.
Well, if it's here for a pretrial, we will ask for another pretrial. The defendant's going to need some time to come into compliance.
It's a show cause, sorry.
Okay, so for show cause, we're going to just plead not guilty for arraignment purposes, indicate the defendant missed a court date inadvertently. He appears here because it's important, and please sign the matter for a next action date, a pretrial, please and thank you.
All right, at this time, the court is going to acknowledge that he missed his last court date, but see that he is here today. I am going to enter a plea of not guilty, put his bond at $0. The next action day, sir, is going to be September 20th. September 20th at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal. Mr. Williams also has some show cause tickets that are scheduled for my docket tomorrow. Those tickets will be moved to September 20th as well, so Mr. Williams can try and come into compliance. So everything's gonna be moved to September 20th, okay, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, at 8:30 a.m., bond set at $0 personal, okay?
All righty. All
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, Mr. Williams.
right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will. I'm not. Lenora Watkins, you can unmute yourself. I promise I'm not. Are you my old one?
Okay. Hello, Your
right.
Honor.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm doing okay.
Good, okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lenora Watkins. This is ticket SP 1455051. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling ticket number SP 1455040. Count 1 expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Lenore Watkins.
Judge, the defendant is about to get her license, but she needs just a short period of time. Would you adjourn this pretrial to date and time when she can come back with all the documents she needs? She's really, really close. I wish you the best of luck, Ms. Watkins, as well.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Watkins, my pretrial dates is September 20th. Is that gonna be too far, or is that gonna give you enough time so you can feel confident you'll have everything together?
Yeah, I have my registration and I already took care of the insurance part. I just, I went and took my test yesterday again and I wound up failing the permit, but I'm going back supposed to be at 11:50, but I'm gonna be running late, so I'm gonna have to reschedule it.
Okay, all right, I'm asking because I want to know, like, should I try and bring you back a little bit earlier, or you want to still do the September 20th date?
September 20th would be fine, I guess. I mean, I'm just ready to get this over with.
I know, that's what I'm asking you, because I'm trying to see if I can squeeze you in, but I don't want to make you nervous either, and then you come back like, you know what I'm saying?
No, that'll be fine. Since I already have my registration, would you just take that off, or it have to be?
Now I want to do it all together. How about August 11th? Would that give you? I'm so proud of that. August 11th.
Yes.
Okay. All right. I see it though. I'm gonna make a note that I saw it, so I'll remember to dismiss it next time. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm making a note. So registration. Thank you so much. All right, but I'll see you back August 11th. That's the closest I can get you, okay? Bonds
Okay, that'll be fine.
I hope that you have your license by then. I'm hoping. So tough, okay?
I'm praying too. Man, I'm tired of people driving me around.
Okay, I know it's been a long time coming, hasn't it?
Yes, it has.
All right. I like to hear that, okay? But we're gonna make it through. So I'll see you August 11th at 8:30 a.m., hopefully to dismiss your entire case, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Cornelius Walton?
I don't know.
You need me to get you out, Miss Watkins?
Yeah, I'm trying to hang it up.
Okay. All right.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, Mr. Walton. Now calling the matter of the people versus Cornelius Martez Walton. This is ticket SP.
It's Martinez, but yes.
Martinez, okay. Cornelius Martinez Walton. This
Yes.
is ticket SP 1469333. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, registration and or plate violation. Count 3, wrong way on a one-way street. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Cornelius Martinez Walton.
So I'm not going to be shy about the fact that identity is an issue here. For that reason, we want a trial date, please, and thank you. The defendant's been advised he's ready to waive his right to a jury trial here today.
All right. Sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Just Mr. Boffman.
Me.
Yep, he is. He's an attorney. And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial or waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. You understand that?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of October 4th, sir. October 4th via Zoom. October 4th via Zoom at 9 a.m.
October
Okay,
4th.
Yep, I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll see you then. Make sure you come so we can see who you are, okay? So we can handle it.
All right. Thank you.
Attorney Baughman tell you what else to do to make sure you're good?
No.
Flagging your account and stuff? Or no?
I'm sorry. Could you repeat that?
I said flagging your account with the Secretary of State's office so they know someone's using your stuff?
Oh, no, I didn't know anything about that part.
Try and do that if you think someone's using your stuff so that they make sure they get the right person, okay?
Okay.
Judge, I believe he knows who the person is. He's going to address that person directly.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
The relative.
That's why I need to stay in my own lane.
No, it's okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, Mr. Walton, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You also.
I will, thank you. Ms. Wilkinson?
Good afternoon, Judge. How are you?
Good afternoon. I'm good, and it's still morning. I know it feels late, but it's still morning. You're good, Ms. Wilkinson, okay? Now I'm calling the matter of the people versus Tamika Denise Wilkinson. This is ticket SP 1446174. Count 1, failed to display. Count 2, disregard signal red or amber. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Tamika Wilkinson.
Thank you, and good morning again, Ms. Wilkinson. Your Honor, the defendant is going to resolve these matters here today. There's a recommendation that if she pleads guilty to the disregarding the red signal count, that would actually be reduced to blockading, which is a 0-point offense, and that will not abstract to her Secretary of State driving record. The other 2 counts will be dismissed here. She wants to take that recommendation on her behalf. I stipulate the probable cause to the information contained in the 4 corners of the complaint for the purpose of the plea here, and to probable cause on behalf of the defendant as to the matters that are being dismissed. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended count of blockading on behalf of the Ms. Wilkinson. The remaining counts will be dismissed without prejudice. Ma'am, that fine is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Can I get a little more time, please?
Absolutely. How much more time do you need, Ms. Wilkinson?
About a month. A month will be good.
So if I do August 25th, is that better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, August 25th is when it's due, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. You look very nice today. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, have a good day.
You as well. Thank you, Mr. Baughman.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Cheyenne Washington.
Hi,
Hi, how are you doing, ma'am?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Now follow the matter of the people versus Cheyenne Washington. This is ticket number SP 1378599. Count one, registration and or plate violation. Count two, driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name.
Cheyenne Washington.
Thank you. Judge, we're asking that you continue this matter to a pretrial. She's gonna bring back some compliance documents. She doesn't have any today, though.
All right, so I'm going to adjourn this until September 20th, ma'am. September 20th at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay? September 20th at 8:30 a.m., okay, via Zoom.
Okay, thank you.
All right, no problem. Marcus Windless, I'm sorry.
Yep, it's winless.
Windless, yes. Now calling the matter of the people versus Marcus Windless. This is ticket SP 1461137. Count one, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Marcus Winless.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant is in compliance. He showed me two documents. He showed me his insurance that is valid till August 1st of 2023, and his registration. Both of those are in his name to the vehicle in question, Your Honor, and that insurance is valid until December, looks like 18th of 2023, Your Honor. Would you dismiss these cases? I would respectfully stipulate to probable cause for that recommendation here. Thank you.
All right, at this time, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. Windless, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're very welcome. All right, if there's nothing else, you're all set for today. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
And Attorney Baldwin, that's my morning docket.
That was a good one.